Can you change your voice in Snapchat call? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Straightforward to the point, unfortunately, the voice change feature that was built in for the iOS device and some of the Android device has been removed by Snapchat, which means that if you were to change your voice in Snapchat call previously, now you won't be able to do so, as Snapchat has officially removed the built-in voice changer feature for all of the devices. So if you wish to change the voice in Snapchat call, you have to get some of the third-party applications. You can find these in the App Store or Play Store as well. However, we don't recommend you to use any of the third-party application as it might hinder with your privacy and safety. So always preview the application that you are choosing. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.